Hey guys, it's Kevin Vieira here, and I'm one of the team members here at the Sold by Guys, and I want to welcome you to our virtual reality webpage. Now, at the Sold by Guys, we've been doing virtual reality for quite a few years. So, let me give you some tricks and tips to help you navigate through this webpage. Okay, now, down below, you're going to see the address, and below that, you're going to see 3 different columns. In the middle of the column, you're going to see a brief description about the property. This description is going to show you things that you may not otherwise see on the video or the 3D tour. Things like new paint, new carpet, or some amenities about the neighborhood. Off to one of the sides, you're going to see what they call a dollhouse view of the property. Now this is a 3D tour, so you're going to click on that and you're going to be able to walk into the property. You can walk around, look all around the property, look at the different walls, and walk into the different rooms. Now when you get to a room that you want to check out a little bit further, you can actually do things like measure where your refrigerator is going to go. Maybe you want to measure the wall where your couch is going to go. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now you exit out of there and you go over to the other side of the description and you're going to see a video about the property. Now the video of the property is going to show you the drone footage, it's going to show you some of the highlights maybe of the neighborhood, and it's going to highlight some of the views inside the property of the features that it has. Okay, now one last thing. If you go up to the property address and you hover your mouse over it, you're going to see that it's a link. Now, in that link, you're going to click on that and that's going to bring you to a single page property website for this exact property. In here, you're going to be able to see all the high definition photos, video, and the 3D tour once again. And below that, you're going to see a map of where the property is located. And below that, you're going to see a form that you can fill out if you need us to get back to you with any more property information, or if you'd like to set up a showing to go see the property in person. Okay, those are the tips and tricks that I've got for you on this webpage. If you have any more questions or want any more information about any of these homes that are listed here, just go ahead and click on the little orange button at the bottom of the website that says call. You'll be able to call any one of our team members and we will set up a showing for you or give you any information that you're looking for. We've designed this page for you to look around and spend as much time as you would like on this page. We look forward to speaking with you soon, and take care for now.